10 most expensive restaurant meals in the world. If you're looking for Michelin stars and $300 plus to $1,700 plus price tags per person, naturally, you've come to the right place. Some places take the eating experience to a whole new level. At least this is what those restaurants promise. More than meals, the most expensive restaurants in the world offer a completely different experience. Celebrated chefs, limited seats, exquisite decor, and meticulously prepared dishes are all factors in that. For people willing to pay anything from 325 US dollars to $1,761 for one meal, no drinks included. The sky is the limit. From eating facing the Seine River in Paris to having a much less culinary entertainment experience in Ibiza. Here are some of the most expensive restaurant meals anywhere in the world. Before we proceed, if you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. We upload new videos daily. Number 10. Percy, New York City, 325 US dollars. New York is one of the best places to eat on earth. Even in New York City, some places stand out among the countless number of restaurants. The Percy that belongs to the Thomas Keller Group is one of them. The Percy is a 3 Michelin stars restaurant that uses the classic French technique. The place offers a daily 9-course tasting menu and a 9-course vegetable tasting menu that costs 325 US dollars per person. The price can skyrocket further if you decide to try the award-winning wine list, since drinks are not included in the price. Number 9. Maison Peak, France, 350 US dollars. France boasts some of the best restaurants in the world, so it comes as no surprise that it also has some of the most exclusive and expensive meals in the world. Having dinner at Maison Peak in Valence cost 350 US dollars. According to reviews, the chef is able to create a perfect meal and pair ingredients effortlessly. The woman behind it is Anne-Sophie Pic, one of the few female chefs to have 3 Michelin stars. Talent runs in her blood. Her father, Jacques, and grandfather, André, also earned 3 stars for Maison Peak. Number 8. Urasawa, New York City, 395 US dollars. A 30-course meal at Urasawa cost 395 US dollars per person, drinks not included. The dishes changes daily. The reputation of the Japanese restaurant is thanks to the chef, Hiro Urasawa. He was trained by the legendary Masa Tawayaka, who also owns one of the best Japanese restaurants in New York. The Urasawa restaurant, located in a shopping center off Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills, is also very exclusive and has only 10 seats. That increases the unique and luxurious feeling of the place, and also the price, of course. It creates expectation of a unique experience. Number 7. Restaurant de l'Hôtel de Ville, Switzerland, 398 US dollars. The Restaurant de l'Hôtel de Ville is located in Grisier, a small village in Switzerland with less than 6,000 inhabitants. But there is nothing humble about this establishment, which boasts 3 Michelin stars. The 11-course menu costs 398 US dollars, offering the likes of Alpine Goat. However, the price does not include drinks from their enormous wine menu. The place gained its reputation thanks to the chef Benoit and his wife Brigitte. Now Frank Giovanni is the chef responsible for the place and keeping the status of the restaurant. Number 6. Guy Savoy, France, 464 US dollars. The French Guy Savoy was already a celebrated chef when he opened a restaurant at the Hotel de la Monnaie, a privileged location by the Seine in 2015. Savoy also has restaurants in Singapore and Las Vegas. The prices start at 295 US dollars, but if you opt for a set menu, the price increases to 464 US dollars. This includes plates like indulgent caviar and oyster concassé. The restaurant has received the title of the best restaurant in Paris in 2018. All this on top of a sublime view of the Seine. Number 5. Ether on the Sea Restaurant, Maldives, 435 US dollars. The Maldives Islands are already known as an exclusive destination, one of the favorite places of the rich and famous, so there is no surprise that they also boast one of the most expensive meals in the world. The Ether is located at 16 feet below sea level. They offer 4 courses at lunch and 6 at dinner, which cost from 195 US dollars up to 430 US dollars, drinks not included. Besides the meal, the clients also have a unique view because this is an impressive all-glass underwater restaurant, a stunning setting. Number 4. Alain Ducasse au Plaza Athénée, France, 446 US dollars. Alain Ducasse is one of the most celebrated chefs in the world, so anything that involves his name will cost you a lot of money. In 2014, he became famous for the restaurant at Hotel Plaza Athénée. The place, as expected, is jaw-dropping. The ceiling is decorated with 10,000 crystals and boasts a special cutlery by Roger Talon. The main dishes cost up to $182 US. If you choose the exclusive set menu, you would need to pay $446 US. Number 3. Kicho Arashiyama, Honten, Japan, $480 US. This is the only restaurant located in Asia on the list. The Kicho Arashiyama Honten in Kyoto boasts 3 Michelin stars and serves the finest of Japanese cuisine. Chef Kunio Tokoka is responsible for the restaurant, following his grandfather's steps. The menu is renovated every season. In a complete experience that's sure to mesmerize diners, the Kicho Arashiyama Honten is styled like a traditional tea ceremony house, offering a wonderful view of the gardens. The price per meal is $480 US. Number 2. Masa, New York City, $595 US. Masa is one of the most expensive restaurants in America. It is also known for its waiting list and clients which advise to book almost a month ahead to guarantee a table. The place has only 26 seats, which helps to create an intimate atmosphere. The legendary Masa Takayama prepares the dishes himself, using the finest fish and Kobe beef. The price for such a special meal is $495 US. Drinks and taxis are not included, but it sounds like something you should do at least once. Number 1. Sublimotion, Spain, $1.76 US. How much are you willing to pay for a meal? The Sublimotion in Ibiza holds the reputation of having the most expensive meals in the world. It is only open during the summer season and it offers more than just a meal. The Sublimotion has only 12 seats available and offers an unparalleled experience featuring virtual reality and a lesser light show. The menu can include DIY salads and seafood and can cost the astronomical price of $1.761 US. It's hard to think about a meal that can be worth so much money. There you have it. Those are the most expensive meals you'll find anywhere in the world. Do let us know in the comment section if there's any restaurant we left out. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for we upload new videos daily.